Hey Ben, welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing rhythm chart 10, which is titled Syncopation. Now, that's a big long word that you may not have heard before. Syncopation means that we're going to be looking at some rhythms that emphasize the upbeat more than the downbeat. So syncopated rhythms feel a little bit wonky and off kilter because we are emphasizing what are typically the weaker beats in the music and not the strong downbeats. So first thing you need to know is that line 1 here and line 2 are the same thing. This is two different ways to write the same rhythm. So we're going to look at the top line here. Notice we are in common time, so 4/4. And we have some eighth notes. 1, te, 2, te, 3, 4. That one is easy peasy. Measure number 2, we have tied the te of count 1 to the downbeat of count 2. So this means that count 1 is going to speak, te is going to speak, and then the te of count 2. So that's going to feel a little weird. Sounds like this. Here's your tap, down, up, down. I'll do this really slow. 1, te, te. 1, te, te. So we are not going to say count 2 at all. 1, te, te. 1, te, te. 3, 4. Do that again and set and go. 1, te, te, 3, 4. Measure number 4 is the same rhythm, except we are going to have a half note at the end instead of 2 quarter notes. So this one here, 1, te, te, 3. All right, let's put line 1 together. Here we go. Sit tall. And down, up, count and clap. 1, te, 2, te, 3, 4. 1, te, te, 3, 4. 1, te, 2, te, 3. 1, te, te, 3. So once you get the hang of these, they're really fun to sing. They're fun rhythms to play. So let's look at line 5. It's the same thing. So you will not see the syncopation in your music like this. It's going to show up like this. So you have the downbeat with the eighth note and then a quarter note on the upbeat. Well, that looks just weird, but this is the way it's going to appear. So same exact rhythm. 1, te, te, 3, 4. Let's look at that again. Ready and go. 1, te, te, 3, 4. So if you're ever unsure about what the rhythm is, you need to just take your pencil and draw in above the measure the down and the ups. So if I were going to say this in down ups instead of numbers, I would say down, up, down, down. And sometimes that helps to get a handle on what the exact rhythm is. So measure number 8 is, again, exactly the same thing, except we're going to end with a half note instead of 2 quarter notes. So 1, te, te, 3. Here we go. Line number 5, measure 5. Down, up, count and clap. 1, te, 2, te, 3, 4. 1, te, te, 3, 4. 1, te, 2, te, 3. 1, te, te, 3. All right, good job. Let's look at line number 13. Okay, so in measure 13, we have first 2 beats are just quarter notes, no big deal right there. And on count 3, now we have that syncopated rhythm. So 1, 2, 3, te, te. So this right here is the te of count 4. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, te, te. Again. 1, 2, 3, tay, tay. So when I'm clapping this one, it'll be 1, 2, 3, tay, tay. Measure 14 is easy peasy. Measure 15 is exactly the same as measure 13. So 1, 2, 3, tay, tay. All right, let's put this line together. And down, up, count and clap. 1, 2, 3, tay, tay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, tay, tay. 1, 2, 3. And we don't have a line 25 for this one, so I am going to do line 21 here. Here, the syncopation occurs on count 1. And then we also have that same rhythm repeating itself starting on count 3. So we have down, up, down, up. 1, tay, tay, 3, tay, tay. So we're adding the claps to that. 1, tay, tay, 3, tay, tay. Same rhythm happens here in measure number 23. So let's do this line. Here we go. Down, up, count and clap. 1, tay, tay, 3, tay, tay. 1, 2, 3. 1, tay, tay, 3, tay, tay. 1, 2, 3. All right, good luck as you start to practice your first syncopated rhythms. They'll be lots of fun when you get the hang of them. See you on the next video, guys.